Hey everyone, this is Tina from ohsnapletsEat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to stir fry shredded meat celery and dried tofu, also known as Dougan. This name is a mouthful, but it's a popular dish in Chinese cuisine. It's basically marinated shredded beef or pork, stir-fried with dry pressed tofu and julienned celery. First, gather your ingredients. You're going to need half pound of pork or beef cut into thin strips, 1 cup of Dougan or the dry pressed tofu, cut into 2-inch thin strips, 1 cup of celery, and this can be Chinese celery or American celery. Just cut it into 2-inch thin strips, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, about a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and salt to taste. And for the marinade, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. In a large bowl or Ziploc bag, add the pork or beef with the marinade ingredients, which is soy sauce, cornstarch, and sesame oil. Mix well to combine. Let this marinate for at the very least 15 minutes. You can also marinate up to overnight. Just be sure to put it in the fridge if you are planning to marinate longer than 30 minutes. In a wok or large cooking pan, heat up the cooking oil. Add the meat and stir fry until it is just browned, and then remove from heat and set aside. Add a little bit more oil to the cooking pan if the pan is dry, and then add the dry pressed tofu and white pepper. Stir fry for about a minute or so, and then add the celery. Cook everything for about 2 minutes or until it begins to soften, stirring occasionally. Add the meat back to the pan and soy sauce and stir fry everything together to combine, and then add salt to taste. Remove from heat and enjoy. And that is how you stir fry shredded meat, celery, and dried tofu, also known as Dougan. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious Asian food recipes.